What is going on YouTube? So before I even start this video off, I just want to say huge shout out to Mark from Hunter Street Garage for doing it. I guess if you call it a shout out video, he named his top 5 underrated YouTubers and I was one of them.
Have super great content. Maybe you guys already know some of these guys, and hopefully I will let you in on somebody you've never heard before or somebody new. Number 5. DrivenFilms Photography. Dale runs this channel, and this channel is one of my favorites for a number of reasons. If you like Accord content or H22 content or F20B content, he's the guy to go to. He just did like a H to B swap, but I think it's a F20B to be specific. But his channel is really good. He deals a lot with Accords and H22s, but he's been recently doing a B16 swap that I've been very excited about and all about. The other thing I really like about Dell is that Dell has one of the most smooth accents I've ever heard. I just love to hear him talk. I know that kind of sounds weird, and I just hear him talk. It just puts me in like a state of peace because I'm like, all right, kick back and relax. He has this just smooth way of talking that is like nobody else in the YouTube world. He's not trying to be somebody he's not, but when I watch Dell, he's absolutely entertaining to watch, and it's actually one of Zasha's favorite channels too.
So big shout out to you, bro. I really appreciate it, man. As far as the channel goes, I really feel like I do pretty decently for as far as the content goes. I just need more exposure, and if I could get more YouTubers like you to shout me out, the channel would really take off, I think. But anyway, I just want to say, man, Mark, I really do appreciate it. You the best, bro. And anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So I'm up here at Easy Muffler bright and early. No one else is here right now, but I don't know, man. The temp gauge was still trying to creep, but now it seems to be doing fine. Sitting here, I don't know if I still got an air bubble in this thing or what. Fans are running. I don't know. Like I said, it drove fine. It drove fine for a ways, and then it actually crept to like about halfway, maybe a touch over halfway, but it never went past that. And it only did that when I pushed the clutch in, like when I was coasting to a stop sign or something. But the minute you start to mash the gas to take off, it would drop back down. And I'm not too sure what that is. Look, the fan just cut off. And everything just seems normal. I don't know. I might have to try to bleed it some more. I really want to get one of those like the big cup things that bolts onto the top that you bleed the coolant with. I need to get one of those because I learned a lot from my H to B that you really gotta bleed these Hondas really good. Like this is different than the Accords. The Accords got that full radiator, so it's a little bit easier on you. But these little half radiators, those things gotta be bled really good in order for it to properly work. So, but yeah, right now, I mean, she's maintaining. Fans off. No problems. No problems at all. But anyway, I'm gonna try to catch up with y'all as soon as the guys get here. I'm here first, so we should be in and out hopefully today. Look at this fart can though. That shit is massive, bro. We gotta get rid of that. Like, that shit is huge. I don't know. So you didn't have to weld nothing. Damn, that's good. This thing is so much quieter, man. Like it sounds almost like a Subaru. Like the little lobe is like, brrr, it's almost like a Subaru sound going on, but it's a lot quieter now, man. A lot quieter. I believe it. What's going on, bro?
What's up? Get all right, man. Get all right, man. I'm next. I'm next.
Yeah, I seen y'all come through. I was like, damn. I said, everybody riding, ain't it?
I race these bitches around the whole block.
Come on, man. What's in this one? Go ahead, bro. That bitch sound good as hell. You accidentally hit it.
Yeah, when I was turning.
Smooth though. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're new. As always, remember, respect our bills. See you later.